It's unboxing.
So it's been a long wait. We finally have the 3DR Solo gimbal here, and let's go right into the unboxing. So there's just one little piece of tape here. There we go. And let's see. The package on the outside just tells you a little about what's in. There's going to be the gimbal, the camera sunshade, only for the GoPro Hero 4 Black, which I have. So this is quick start gimbal setup, and wow, so here it is. So we have this little box here, and this has the weights, and so these weights are for the GoPro Hero 4 and the GoPro Hero and the GoPro Hero 4 Silver and the GoPro 3 Plus Hero 3 Plus. And so it's just out of the box. So it's quite big. So first you just remove the mount. Just pop right off, and so then you just thread the cable back through, set that side, and down here is the gimbal data cable, and so you apparently just wrap this around. And so then you take the gimbal and connect the cable connects here. What? No, connect. A little more complicated. There we go.
We'll take a flight.
Okay.
We'll actually take a flight when it's done. So.
Okay, so that was that was quite hard to do, but basically then all you do here is I'm gonna do this screw last. That's closest to me because apparently you have to, go through a couple of things.